Excuse me, what's the berry smoothie like? Well, it is very good stuff. This is Chris from ModeMunch, and welcome to Fast Food Fun, the show that reviews popular dishes from fast food chains, recreates them and make them look and taste like the retail products, whilst reducing the cost. Imagine berry smoothie, raspberry, blueberries, strawberries, and blackberries, blended with milk and ice cream. For $9, it's a decent drinky poos. Needs more ice cream in my one, bud. Still, it was tasty and delicious, and for a sweet treat it could be double up as a dessert too. You know what else is okay? Subscribing to this channel and hitting the bell hard and fast. Then I know that you love me. Go on. Or I'll cyber stalk you and send you a parcel of used tea bags with an autographed crayon stencil outline of a sludge trail that I found on my neighbour's yard. Blend your ice cream, strawberry, blueberries, blackberries, milk and raspberries. Squirt some strawberry syrup into a tall glass. Swizz it around and coat the outside. Chuck some ice cream in. Now slowly pour your blendy goodiness into the glass. Add way too much ice cream because you're thirsty, hungry and hot. Chuck in a straw and suck on that one you might. Oh yeah, and buy the merch too. This has been Chris from ModeMunch, and that shit makes you look gay.